If you have safety concerns about your workplace as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, here at Scottish Hazards we can help you tackle them. We're a workplace safety charity, providing free and confidential advice to workers on all aspects of workplace health and safety via our COVID-19 helpline. Your employer must ensure it's assessed the risk of COVID-19 and put in place effective control measures to prevent infection being spread in your workplace. By control measures, we mean things like good hand hygiene arrangements, effective physical distancing procedures, heightened cleaning regimes, and the provision of additional personal protective equipment, such as masks, gloves, and eye protection. If you have concerns around any of these issues, we can help. And it may not be you personally who has a potential worry, but perhaps you're concerned about working arrangements for your spouse, or your parents, or your grown-up kids. Please give us a ring. Employers have a legal duty to consult the workforce on health and safety matters, whether there's a trade union presence or not, and this has never been more important than now. Rather than impose arrangements on you, your employer should be consulting you personally or a set of workplace representatives about a variety of matters, including what measures are going to be taken to reduce or eliminate risk. Now, we're aware, for example, of loosening of arrangements in supermarkets, which have not been the subject of consultation with staff. Opening a 2 tills side by side with just a pop-up banner in between, or letting in almost twice the number of previously agreed members of the public at a time, making physical distancing impossible. Issues which need not have arisen had staff views been gathered and acted upon. Now, we know that essential services are continuing, that some organisations are repurposing to support those essential services, and that there are those operating, let's face it, who should not be. We're still some weeks away from lockdown ending. There's a lot to be thinking about, and planning should be taking place now for life after lockdown. Can social distancing be adhered to in all areas of your workplace? Reception, canteen, meeting rooms, toilets, smoking areas, staff kitchens. How is entry and exit going to be managed effectively? Will new shift arrangements need to be operated? Are lone working arrangements being proposed which in themselves could bring alternative risks? Are hand hygiene facilities sufficient? Are cleaning regimes sufficient? And have cleaning teams been given the additional training and resources that they need? Is effective PPE going to be available? And is training going to be given on the correct means of putting it on, taking it off, and ensuring its safe disposal? These are just some of the issues we know individuals are concerned about. Whatever health and safety concern is troubling you, please pick up the phone or drop us an email. It's been said that if you don't protect the workforce in a pandemic, you do not protect the public. Let us help you keep you and your colleagues and all of your families safe, and together we'll make Scotland a safer place to work and to live.